today I will teach you how to activate walnuts. And my good camera is broken, so it's on my phone, so that's why it's a little different this time. But I've got to do it. I've got to do one video a day. So there we go. So walnuts, when they are soaked and activated, it's amazing what happens. They're so sweet, so delicious. Otherwise, they have this aftertaste that is absolutely awful. Not when you soak them, because when you do, you take out the tannins, the anti-nutrients. And when you do as well, you increase the digestibility of the food. But not only that, when you do, you also, because the nutrients are so much more powerful, you then help with the walnuts to lower the cholesterol. What it does is it removes the bad one, and so the good one, comes stronger. And then it protects your heart because of the omega-3s. It also reduces the infection. There's a compound in the walnuts that actually gets rid of the bad bacteria. Imagine that. Imagine that. So what we'll do, we'll just go right into doing the process. We pour walnuts into a bowl, ideally a glass bowl or a stainless steel bowl. We add water. Move the nuts around just to give them a wash. You'll see the water becomes murky. Nuts can be very dirty. And then pour them into a strainer. Give them a rinse again. Oops, you cannot see. Give them a rinse. Like this. Pour them back into your bowl. And then this time you add, it's 1 part nuts and 2 parts water. And you leave them to soak for 4 to 8 hours. What I do is I use timers, but you can also use your phone. So either one, but it's a good idea to have that to remind you. After 4 to 8 hours, you rinse them again. And walnuts, yes, they won't sprout, they activate. That's why we don't put them into, to sprout, like day or two to sprout, they won't. You won't see a little tail growing. So they activate. So now that you rinse them well, and if you put your strainer on an angle like this, the water drips faster. Then the next thing to do, I'm just going to put this here so it's not in the way. The next thing you do is you put it on a tray to dehydrate. My dehydrator here is a Sedona, but also you can dehydrate in a Chef Man. And that is only $130. It's inexpensive. And this one is more expensive. And then you dehydrate at between 115, 118 degrees Fahrenheit for 24 hours. Dehydration will take the water content to the core of the food. When you do it in your oven, it creates a crust on the outside, but it doesn't go all the way to the center. So then after that, you can do that to kind of, dry up the walnuts, but keep them in your fridge. Whereas this you can keep in an airtight container into a cupboard up to a month. After that, keep them in your fridge because again, there is rancidity because of the oil in the walnut. Okay? So there you go. It becomes a superfood. Imagine that. You can, that's when you eat for health. You eat to heal. So enjoy.